This time we're off to Wells Grey Provincial Park. Alright, today we loaded some gear up into the Tacoma and drove just under 3 hours to a town called Clearwater. Here we're going for a little 2-for-1 adventure. We start off doing some kayaking down the Clearwater River. My friend Natalie in that green boat there, she's been hassling me for years to get out here. We're a bit later in the season, but this just makes for some warmer water and still leaves some great rapids and surf waves. Most people come here for back and front country camping, canoeing, hiking, fishing, whitewater rafting, and kayaking. But everyone comes for sightseeing and enjoying nature. Here's Natalie dropping into a nice little wave. And now it's my turn. A little different perspective. Now we're back at our base camp for our second part of our journey. 2 days on water and now 2 days on land. Oh, there's my babies. Wells Grey Provincial Park is actually the 4th largest park in BC. It encompasses a whopping 5,250 square kilometers. Falls is a 141 meter free fall drop. It's actually the 4th highest in Canada. In the winter if you come here, apparently there's a 50 meter ice cone that's formed at the bottom. The elevation in the park varies from 460 meters above sea level to 2,950. This is Mole Falls. You can enjoy the view from the platform up top, or you can descend the stairs to the base and walk around behind the waterfalls to enjoy the other side. I recommend option B. This park contains 4 main rivers, 6 major lakes, 39 named waterfalls, and I don't even know how many mountain peaks and glaciers there are. Oh, when they're shining with the girls.